Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So after taking a long break of like a week or so, I'm finally uploading and here I am with this Halloween look. I obviously couldn't ignore Halloween guys because Halloween is an important festival. Yeah, I love Halloween. I love dressing up for Halloween and it's super exciting. So today I am here with this modern skull bridal Halloween look. Yeah. So I'm wearing black and all of that, yeah. And a gentle disclaimer, I am not showing the products in this video. Yes, you will see me showing this Max Strobe cream, but I won't actually show all the products, nor will I list them in the description box. The reason I tell you is because some people actually form an opinion that the things that I will use have to be used by them. It's not so. You can use anything that you have at your home, right? So you don't actually need to use whatever I use, right? So that's what I wanted to say. So I will not show or not even list it in the description box. I am sorry for the inconvenience, but yeah, you can create it with whatever you have. Like this black eyeshadow is from a huge palette, but I will not show the black eyeshadow for like I'll not show the palette for the sake of one eyeshadow, guys. So that's what I had to say. So today's tutorial is like a less speaking and more watching and more practicing kind of video because you have to do things and then redo again. Yeah. So do you see this? First, I'm drawing the jaws. And I forgot to apply the foundation there, but that's fine because I'm gonna apply the foundation in the end time. But yeah, so you see that I was not actually very happy with the jaw, so I tried balancing it out. But before that, I did my base first, and you should do it as well. So excuse for all the noise that's there, it's poppins. Yeah. So now I'm just applying a foundation. Again, you can use any foundation that you have. You should necessarily not use the things that I am using, right? And so I just applied a little bit over there, and now taking a kajal, I am just making a jaw so that they look equal, right? And now using the same kajal, I'm gonna fill all of them. I suggest to use a gel liner. Now I won't suggest any specific gel liner. Maybelline or L'Oreal or any brand that you like, you could use the gel liner from that brand. But my gel liners were over, guys. They were completely dried up, so I had to throw them. Yeah, so I did it with a kajal, but I suggest doing this step with a gel liner and then smudging a brown eyeshadow on top of it. Yeah, so now I'm just highlighting my face, and you see that I'm cleaning my jawline. So you will mess up a lot in this makeup look. Even I make a lot of mistakes. Don't talk about me. Even higher creators who have even more experience like me, like whom do I name? There are like many people, so they also make mistakes, and it's absolutely fine to make mistakes. So now I'm just applying a black eyeshadow because I wanted to go for a smoky eyes, and I thought a smoky eyes would look really good. Uh, yeah, because it's just that's reason. Yeah, nothing else. So now you see me doing my brows, and with that I'm drawing two lines with my eyebrows, like just two perpendicular lines, I would say. Yeah, so I'm drawing lines like that. And I'm smudging some, and that's where the expressions will form. You see that? That's where the expressions form. And now I'm just applying a bit of gold shadow because dude, it's a bridal makeup look. I know. I never imagined in my dreams that my first bridal tutorial would be such, but it is how it is. So I was just applying that, and now I'm again cleaning that eyeshadow with a normal toned concealer so that it does not look harsh. Now I'm just applying some kajal, no big deal. And so guys, what am I doing now? Like, yeah, so now you just see me bronzing a little bit. I am not using any blush because, come on, yeah, I just used the brown eyeshadow for the purpose. But now I'm trying the nose, and you can make the nose just the way you like. You can also make the jaw a bit complicated, but as this was my first time doing a Halloween tutorial, not a Halloween makeup look. I have done Halloween looks before, but I have not made any tutorial, so this was my first time. And yeah, I was a bit nervous because I've never done it on camera. I mean, who has? If they don't have a YouTube channel, they don't do it on camera. Alright, so now you just see that I made the nose, and now again I'm doing a bit of kajal process because it's just the reason, guys. There's no because. And now I was just smudging a bit of black on the forehead, and yeah. So now after baking, I am highlighting, and the reason is that mostly my concealers tend to oxidize, and that doesn't look good. So I wanted a very whitish and ghostly effect, so that's why I did that. And now I just curled my lashes, applied some mascara, and here I am applying the eyeliner. And makeup has no meaning without eyeliner, guys. Eyeliner is super important. And yes, I am darkening my jaws with the eyeliner. This process is a bit a bit weird and awkward, you can say, but it's how it is. And now I am smudging some eyeshadow again. Now taking a purple eyeshadow, I am smudging it on the under eye area because dark circles have like a bluish, a purplish undertone, and it's a corpse. It hasn't slept since thousands of years, and that's why it's got dark circles. And now I'm drawing some black patches on my forehead, and I have a small forehead, guys. Like, it's like not very small, but it's not too big or anything like that. So my patches were normal, but they became so broad that they literally looked like I had an extended hairline, but that's fine. Um, the main point of this look is to have fun because Halloween is a festival. You don't have to be precise. Like, you just have to be having fun and all of that stuff. So now you can just see that I was just drawing some cracks on my face, right? And the look looks really good up till now. And you see I'm just applying some concealer and blending all of it in. Then I'll take again a whitish concealer. Ghost will not have like a normal neutral undertone. They'll have whitish everything because they are dead people. Corpse. A corpse. What else can you expect from a corpse, right? So now I'm taking a waterproof eyeliner. Yes, this step is very important. So yeah, I just forgot to mention something that was like I made the jaw with a tape, and I made the teeth with what do we say, ice cream sticks. So you can also create this look very easily using all of these things. Like, it's all there in your home, it's there in your kitchen, it's there in your makeup kit. So you don't need to go to the market during this pandemic time and buy things, right? And you see, this actually gave a really nice effect of what do we say, of the teeth. Well, you can stop right here, but I wanted to go like one more step ahead. I applied some highlighter because obviously, though it's a corpse bride, but she needs to look good on her wedding day, right? So everyone should glow, right? Corpse bride, not a human bride, and everyone, right? So I just went ahead with one more step, and I applied some black eyeshadow, as you saw in the previous parts of the video. I just wanted a bit of hollow look, so that's why I applied a black eyeshadow. Honestly, my mom was not a very big fan of the black eyeshadow, but I loved it. And do let me know your comments, like your thoughts in the comment section. So the silver tone jewelry was not actually looking good with the black and gold outfit, so I changed it to white and gold mantika, and I added some matching earrings, and now the look looks put together because it has blacks, it has golds, it has eyelashes, and it looks really good. And yeah, this was my first Halloween tutorial. So please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, guys. And also, again, I'll be a bit irregular on YouTube, but I'll try my best to be what do you say, regular on YouTube, uploading consistently. But yeah, and that was it for today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye guys. And yes, I did go ahead and add some bindis, as you can see, because some brides do that on their wedding day, right? Though this one is a Halloween one, but still. Okay, so bye guys, happy Halloween.